chick. Sweep up the poo and keep it clean. The chick is thirsty. Remember to give it water. It's hungry. Give it some feed. Wow! It's hungry. Give it some. The chick is sleepy. Put the straw mat on the chick. The hen is sleepy. Put down a straw mat for the hen. Sweep up the poo and keep it clean. Sweep up the poo and keep it clean. The chick is thirsty. Remember to give it water. The hen is thirsty. Give it some water. It's hungry. Give it some feed. Let's build a nest together. Find a nest for the hen. Listen to some music before laying eggs. Tap the hen to help it lay eggs.